Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows Update error code 0x800700c1 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the Windows Update error code 0x800700c1 while updating your Windows, then I will show you a simple method you can try and fix this issue. First of all, you have to click on this start menu, then click on settings. After that, you have to click on this system, scroll down. Here you will find troubleshoot. Click on this. After that, click on other troubleshooters. Here you will find Windows Update. Just click on run. After that, it will check if there is any issue with your Windows Update and it will detect and fixes the issues automatically. After completion of this, restart your PC. After restarting, again come back to the settings and check for Windows Update. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows Update error code 0x800700c1. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.